Tuli mu kuvuba byennyanja. Tuli okuvuba byennyanja. Byabadde sekoda. Naye birwanirira obulamu bwabyo ssebo. Gayenera Farms Kayunga Bwamulamya. Tuvuba.
Mbiwulira baba.
Saizi sijawulidde.
No. Chikubojja. Nda mujiwulire mbigere.
Male yowe.
Engege zizo. Nakulira gomba mbaluzi. Patwaganya nnyonyi gasama. Kali. Ibinyanja tuvuba. Bibyo. Bibyo babire. Birwana.
None bimpe. Ebyennyanja.
Aba ekyennyanja.
Lwaki nyambala shirt? Mugachira bamulo mutamu.
Obikanze. Obikanze.
Mike nyakola liki?
Okay.
Kwata hiyo kinene hao. Ne linda ukikwata mutwe. Wakija kukumika. Na kwata mutwe. Ukwata mutwe. Kumita amako.
Kumira chini.
Ukwata mutwe moto. Ukwata mutwe.
Abango chiwewe.
Leki bana amani so. Ate otisa mu mazzi oba kiwadde amaanyi.
Kwata chimunko leki ya fishing.
Waliwo ekinyonyi kibadde sayidi kikyo
Waliwo ekyo kiki ekimyufu. Bitandise okuddayo mu mazzi. Bitandise okuddayo.
kinyweze kiseerera.
Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, part of the experiences that I know, you can't honestly find anywhere. This is the answer. This is where you get a chance to actually do participate. And woo! That is a compliment. As I was saying, this is not eating, man. This is not joking. So things are going to get you a bit rough. Things are going to get a bit uncomfortable. But I know. For me, I've enjoyed this fish for years, man. And I don't want to be scared of it.
Amagumba tugenda kufi bera ku
Unakubeera leo ate?
amagumba gajja kufi.
Okay. you can actually fish your own food. Lero, tugenda kujjayo ku byennyanja bye tugenda okulya. My point is this, on September, sorry, ladies and gentlemen, 3, 2, anene simu yange nanga nkoleyo kabaiti. Aha, kati gwebera mabegere ngokola abo bonna. Genda?
Okinyika mu mazzi, okinyikako mu mazzi ekiki.
Nekissa. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, as I was saying, there are few places and destinations that actually give you this hands-on experience. We've done all the wildlife, we've done all the nature, we've done the lakes, we've done the rivers, we've hiked the mountains, but we've not got this chance of engage learning about fish farming, about these activities. So, at Kenya Farms, this is where we'll be on Christmas, 24th, 25th, 26th. Those of you that love such activities, you'll get a chance to enjoy, explore, to document. Ekinyanja kankize mazzi kale. Naye era
Kiri traumatized.
traumatize. Naye era tubaaniriza tubayita olere ku Christmas. Kati akalala kange. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are at Kainera Farms Limited. We are doing fish farming. This is one of the activities you'll find in a few places that has been packaged for you that you can actually be joined by these guys. Enjoy the fishing. You fish your own food wano. Wanemere jolya tujja tukujjirano. Bwe yagala okulima ogenda mu nnimiro eri n'olima n'ofuna ebyokulya. Tubaaniriza mwenna tubayita sigadde eze Ssenyonyi Derrick. Kale bakuba ekifaananyi n'ekiremmalero.
Ngege. Derrick omuvubi. Derrick omuvubi.
Omuvubi. Gwe nyamba wennyingira nze njayingira.
Here, Kainera Farm, Kayunga, Bwamulamira. We are done with the fishing, you know. You see? Yes. Twasazeewo okubalambuza leero ene Kayunga Farm Kainera eri Bwamulamira Kayunga. So everything here is going on well. Twali mu kuvuba byennyanja.
All right. Ladies and gentlemen, first of all, congratulations, Kainera, on winning the award. Anyway, good award. Good award. I know.
Yes,
community.
Sustainable
project.
Nange na wangu de soka tiba winner. Bali wano babi. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much, first of all, for nominating and voting me. I'm here doing exactly what you said. But neyanze gekizzaamu amaanyi okuba nti waliwo abantu abalabikola betukiyayinga tudokumenti nga we tutambulira kyakitiibwa nnyo era mbasuubiza tugenda kulemezaamu tutandika butandisi goal nabagamba goal yakutuka ku African level then international level tukyali wano waka tukyakuba naye neyanza nnyo oto mbagayiza kisinga emyaka 3 emirungi atyako oluzungu. All right, gwe ate tonnuma. All right, 3, 2, 1. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I have some good news to give you. Yesterday we won the award of outstanding tourism photographer. I am here. I was not there. I did not attend. I did not attend. I missed the event because I was at work. I was doing exactly what you guys voted me for. We are here at Kainera Farms Limited. I'm inviting you guys to be on Christmas. We are kulonda mbagambye exactly lwaki mwanonze bagala nnyo. kyalava amazzi wano nga buli kamu kakosi. Buli kamu kamiliki.
Atukainira eno Bwamulamira kyalo Bwamulamira village district ye Kayunga. Bagala okugendako mu holidays kumulako. There is a lot of activities which are done here, like horse riding, there is quiding, there is crocodile viewing, a lot of activities. So banange batambuzaako leero kubalambuzaako eno walako nno kuva Kampala naye ate ekifo kirungi siyinza kufiirwa ojja n'embimalayo naye walungi. 25 December waliyo carnival. Okay.